Hello everyone, and today we're going to break down the difference between the words forfeit, sequester, confiscate, expropriate, impound, and commandeer. All these words are verbs, but forfeit can act as both adjective and noun, and it means to lose your right because you did something wrong. While the other words mean to take someone's possessions. Okay, let's take a closer look at them. Forfeit. So, as I said, forfeit is to lose your right because you did something wrong. For example, like an athlete was caught with doping in his or her blood and was banned from Olympics for life. And forfeit is usually for life, but it can be for a limited period of time, but it's very rare. Mostly it's about for life. Sequester. Sequester got two distinct meanings. First is to isolate or separate carbon dioxide. The second is to separate or to isolate jury from other people, so the verdict cannot be affected. And the main meaning is to seize someone's property because, for example, a debt or money isn't paid. Like, for instance, court can order to seize, to sequester someone's home because money isn't paid. Now to the next word, confiscate. Confiscate can be for a limited period of time or for a not limited period of time, and it can be about money or about someone's property. For example, like for a limited period of time, a teacher confiscated the student's phone for a limited period of time. When we're talking about for, let's say, for permanent period of time, it can be about drugs. For instance, drugs were confiscated at the airport. So for permanent amount of time. Now we got expropriate. Expropriate can be about both property and money, and it can be legal and illegal. When we're talking about illegal expropriation, let's say a government expropriated someone's property for public use but didn't pay money for it, so it is illegal. When we're talking about legal, when we're talking about something legal in this context, let's say a criminal's deposits in the bank were expropriated. So this is legal. Now, moving on to the next. Impound. Impound is about someone's property or money, but mostly it is about property, and in most cases it's about vehicles. Like your vehicle was impounded and you have to pay a fee to get it back. And we got the last one, commandeer. Commandeer is used in the military context. For instance, like a group of rebels, paramilitaries, militants, or diversionists hijacked, or you can say commandeered, a military truck full of ammo, weapons, supplies, and so on. And, well, that's all the difference that I wanted to explain to you. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that it was very helpful. See you next time.